Roll out untuk wide speed. Jump run, jump fast.
Raja, hold on, I'm coming! Damn it, I'm shot! Put things down, I need help! I need help. The tiger is stranded. Over. Hey! Please, so short! River lang fast! Please, may bandit! Please, advance, join into the droid, don't we need stop that! Raja, move!
Control to Team Alpha, distress call received. Jungle Sector 7, deploying coordinates now. Team Alpha can bridge section truth fast. Ra Alpha, how to farms? Out.
Control, this is Arjuan. The river's flooding fast. I need an evac.
Copy, Arjun. I see your coordinates now. Stand by. There's a tiger. It's right here by the river.
Confirmed. Sending a chopper to the riverbank. Hold your position.
They're high street pad. All states up to starbase Joskian with death apparates.
Copy, drawing 2, sectors 1 and 2.
Area minutes launching ETA 5 minutes. Keep comms open, monitor river levels. Commander, the river has breached its banks. The current is too strong for civilians.
Copy that, Skirt. All response Swiss teams, get choppers and zoom the air for Yak, now.
On it, Commander.
Team, Raja is on that log in Sector B. The current is pushing him toward the falls.
Confirmed, Commander. We have drones en route. What's the extraction plan?
Hello, team on standby. We move on my mark. Team A, deploy to Hilo 1. Go, now. Copy out. Unit 4, grounding out. Is move, sir.
Unit 4 copies en route. All teams execute now. Report status. Status confirmed, sir.
Move with purpose. Ropes and harnesses first.
Rope secured. Moving to vehicle.
Medical case and dart rifle loading now.
Check seals. Double check every buckle. All clear. Ready to deploy. Team, pre-flight checks. Winch test. Winch deploying. Cable clear. Loading gear. Securing now. Input screen. Ready. Final checks. Prep for launch. Winch hips are straps tight. Trailer connected. Move.
Over here, this way! I'm down here! Alright! Compass Jose! We slide jack straight!
Eyes on the river. Any signs of life?
Negative, sir. Scanning the banks.
Keep it steady, we're going upstream. They have to be here.
Roger that, Commander.
Raja's thermal signature. That's him on the log.
Confirmed, Commander. He's drifting in the current. Vectoring in now. Rescue team, stand by.
Copy. Marking the coordinates. Let's bring him home.
Roger, hold on, buddy. We're coming.
Team to fly Mando. Chopper trend away. Full spring. Go after Fred. Go, good.
Run! Don't shoot me, DC! Helicopter on your right! He's struggling! Run us and get him! Yes! That's it! Hold on, Roger!
Roger slipping. I'm going down. Deploying K-Mal. Hold to Roger. Team descent now. River's too rough to wait.
Roger, Commander. Harness is secure.
Good. Double checking your straps. Cable attached. Ready for winch. All secure on the primary clips.
Primary clips locked. Ready for secondary.
Secondary is good. Test the tension.
Tug test complete. All straps taut.
Attach the cable. Move to the door.
Easy now, Raja. I'm here to help you. Shh, it's okay. You're safe. That's it. Good boy. Trust me. Almost there, Raja.
Roll down to the wide feet! Jump right, jump left! Hang on, Roger! We're going up! Almost there, Brad!
We got you! Pull! Hashtag safe! We're clear!
Full team pull. We're almost there.
Got you! In you go!
Brad, safe, we did it!
Easy now, little one.
You're safe.
Yes, relief at last.
Raja, easy now. I'm checking you over.
How is he, medic?
Shallow breathing, weak pulse, starting fluids.
Do it. Get him stable.
You're doing so well, Raja. All your vitals are stable now. Just rest now. You're safe here. Here you go, Raja. Eat up, little one.
That's it, buddy. You're getting stronger.
Look at that tail flick. So playful.
Here's some water, Raja. Drink up.
Vitals are stable, Sam. Raja's recovery is right on track.
That's a relief after what Raja's been through.
And look at Raja now. So full of life. A true fighter.
This is the place, Sam. It's perfect. The light is magical. The animals will thrive here.
After the flood, this feels like a new beginning.
It does. Let's begin.